Okay, so we know this square has an area of 4. We know the outer square has an area of 5. So according to the question, there are so it goes A, B, A, B, A, B. So there are basically 4 right triangles with side lengths A and B, and square plus B squared. So there's multiple ways you can go about doing this, but the easiest way is to go 5 minus 4 equals 1, and that's equal to 4 times the area of this, right triangle. And so 1/4 is equal to the area of the right triangle. Well, the area of the right triangle is also half times AB because based on half BH is equal to area of triangle. And so multiply 2 on both sides, so then you get half is equal to AB. So the answer is half. So this is a question 25, but the test is kind of old because it's 2012. So which explains why the question is so straightforward, though being the last question of the test. Okay. Here's the next one. Triangle DEFA below or to the side here. A rectangle, sorry, is a 3x4 rectangle with DC equals CB equals BA equals 1. What is the area of the bat wings? So I would, try to do the problem and then we can discuss it.